So, ayan na guys, malapit nang mapuno yung batya natin. Tapos, hindi natin magagamit yung kaldero na yan kasi ang daming rust. So, baka masira yung mga, ano natin, mga gamit-gamitan natin. So, ito na lang. Tapos, kasi wala kaming social kami kasi wala maibang planggana na libre na mapupulot ko. Ito na lang yung gagamitin namin. Tadang! O, diba? Pa-resourceful din pag may time. Hindi namin magamit yung isang kaldero dyan kasi panghalaman yan. So, ito na lang. O, diba? Masidlan pa ito ng ng ilang t-shirts, ilang karsones, as iba pa. Tapos, kasi social kami, hindi kami hindi kami bumibili ng mga ng mga kaldero, ng mga ibang planggana, namumulot lang kami pag may time, 'di ba? O ito pa yung isang gagamitin namin na suludlan ng mga gamit.
It's cold. Did you tell him?
Tadang! O, 'di ba? Lang 'yan. Naku guys, kailangang linisin. Pa-diskarte lang 'yan. Kasi wala kaming ibang batya na mapupulot, ito napulot namin sa kusina, ito yung gagamitin namin. O, resourceful, di ba? Tingnan mo guys, yung asawa ko. Social pa, may pa siya. Naku, nakaupo pa siya sa lawn chair. Akala niya siya lang marunong. Ito, gagamitan ko din siya ng lawn chair ko. Akala niya siya lang marunong, no? Yan.
Oh.
Okay. So, ito na. I-andam na natin yung mga natin, mga kaldero natin kasi tayo mga sosyal, wala tayo mga palanggana at mga batsa o ano pang ginagawa ng ibang mga manlalaba. Okay. Tapos,
I'm gonna put it in.
Yeah, a little. Let's see if that would work.
A little bit. I don't know how much. Yeah.
Oh, social kami, di ba? Para lang kami nagpipiknik. Yup. Baka malusot ako nito kasi ang bigat-bigat ko. Oh. Ha? May di-4 pa. So, ito yung style dito, mga socials. Kahit na naglalaba, at least nasa pa rin. Nakaupo pa rin sa lawn chair. Itong asawa ko, kakalabot talaga ito yung, nakakainis kasi gagamitin niya yan, let me see. Gagamitin niya itong laundry soap. Itong laundry soap, ito yung para sa washing machine namin. Washing machine namin walang silbi ngayon kasi stuck up yung piping namin. So, problema nito is, hindi siya bumubula. So, ewan ko kung bakit ito pa rin. Why do you like to use this one? It doesn't gives a sweet or whatever that is.
What?
Bubbles.
In the washing machine it does.
Yeah, but in here it doesn't. It would just make me feel aggravated.
That's good.
But anyway, ginamit ko ito. Yeah. So, tingnan natin kung gagala ito. Okay. First step, ito yung mga maraming niya. I'm gonna teach you, tuturuan ko itong asawa ko sa paglalaba Filipino style. First is, oh my gosh, naku guys, I couldn't reach. Walang silbi itong silya na ito. Upo na lang ako dito sa That's not how the way you do it.
I'm just getting the studs.
Okay. Studs. Okay, I'm gonna focus that on the camera. Tingnan mo itong asawa ko guys. Parang washing machine maglaba? Ano ba yan? Okay. Ang tayod ko. Okay. This is how.
Very cool.
Is this all the side that you have? Oh, well. At least, so this is how you do it. Like, you just grab it with both of your end fingers and then just squash it like that. How do you, what's the term for this one? Huh?
I don't know what the term is.
Guys, dito sa amin, tingnan mo, nakakalo pa ako. Nakakalo kami. At medyo malamig, kahit na medyo malamig. Kasi parang din siya yung dating, di ba? No, that's not how you do it.
I'm just getting the sense.
Okay, you follow me. Here.
Yeah, you
And then do it. Look. That's so funny. No, like you make, you exert a little bit of effort, like how many PSI? 1 PSI. Ewan ko guys kung ano yung PSI. Nahabong kasi ako ng ano, ng...
I'll just do this.
No!
That's how the washing machine does it, right? This is what the washing machine does, right?
How do you wash it? Tingnan niyo yung paglalaban niya guys. Parang ganito daw eh.
Yeah.
Wrong. Ganito lang niya kasi ganun talaga yung mga ginagawa ng washing machine. No, that's so, guys, ang gina is so cold in here. Like hold it on both ends or at least one end and then halfway and then just, you know, squish it. Not that one, but like 45 degrees angle. Naku guys, ayaw talaga.
Can I just do it this way?
No!
Little cleaner.
Ang lamig kasi dito sa dito sa labas, yung sa picket namin. And then, you fold it like that, malamig yung tubig. Fold it like 1/4 or did you, like that.
Oh.
Hold it like the way I do, and then, sakit na daw likod mo guys. And then, hold it from here and then fold. Yeah, and then, like that. And then, squeeze opposite way. Yeah, perfect. Now, tingnan natin yung gilas mo. Ito.
Is that enough?
Sakit na likod niya.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
I don't know. I can't. I don't know how you do that. No?
Yep. But you have to do it, not fold it yet. Like this one, and then open, and then, not like that, but like that. 45
I don't
degrees.
see the difference.
It's 45 because you can exert more effort if you do it by 45 degrees.
I don't know.
Not on here. It should be on the palm, not here. Yeah. Perfect. You can do it. Guys, shout out to my husband. He doesn't want to be on camera, but because he loves me. Of course, yeah. Because he said that he loves me. So, he's doing this. Ayaw niya talaga guys na Okay.
Here, I'll just...
Alright. Okay, and then you can fold it and then squeeze out the water. Do you still have... Oh, okay. Tingnan nyo guys. Walang bubbles. Nakakainis talaga. Parang hindi siya
I did it wrong. I know I'm doing it.
parang hindi siya nalilinis. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now we're going to do the shirt. Now I'm gonna teach you. That's my shirt. I just got that a few weeks ago. Huh?
Oh, I thought that was paint.
Oh no.
Are you sure
No.
that's not paint?
Okay. So you use the shirt. You use that shirt and I will use my sweater. Ito guys, sweater ko. Isang na ito eh. Last Christmas pa ito ginamit ko. So, mga 1 year na hindi nalabhan. Joke. Isang taon lang hindi nalabhan. Tingnan yung ginawa ng asawa ko. Parang ginaganon lang oh. Why are you doing that?
The washing machine.
Well, the washing machines have teeth. If we do it with our hands, we have to have a technique on how to wash our clothes and clean it thoroughly. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. Yes, very good. Yeah, like, you submerge it all, wet it really, like make it really wet,
Yeah.
and then hold on to this one. Nako, where is it? Nako, nawawala na ako. Here, you know, this part of the shirt, the shoulder area. Where's the shoulder area? Bagal naman itong asawa ko. Here. Here. And then, so that's where you start. Okay? Show it to them how you do it. Let me show it to them. Submerge it in water and then remember the 45 degrees angle secret. Guys, tingnan mo, kawawa itong asawa ko. Look at his hands, his red. Like that. One.
Yeah.
Okay, you do this.
I'm gonna do it the machine way.
So you do this because this is easier. Okay, you just do the hands like that. But remember the 45 degrees angle.
I don't know. I'm not. Look at.
You guys, walang ano?
I don't know. Sorry, not making sense to me. Look at this. I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, you do it too. Ito yung mga asawa natin, guys.
This is what.
Wow. Your hands is not a washing machine.
Yeah, that's cleaning it. That's what the.
Wow.
Right? It's cold.
Yeah, it is. Just like that. Just, grab whichever point you can grab and then just,
I know. I can't figure it
Naku,
out.
guys, patay. It seems like ako ang, yeah, very good. You need to wash it really good because the last time I wore that was 2 years ago.
What?
And it has not been washed. No, just joking. No, about days ago. So see? So how about you? Maybe tayo nito asawa ko, guys. Hindi marunong maglaba. Ito. Like that. Like that.
Yeah, but that's gonna take a long time. This is faster.
Long. Yan mga social, guys. Maglaba din tayo pag may time. Para naman hindi obvious na social tayo, di ba? Yan, wala tayong pang bayad mo. Wala tayong pang bayad ng laundry. Yan. You're just playing. Guys, in fairness, this is heavy. Yeah.
Oh, well, I don't know.
Okay, so can you just squeeze this like that because that's heavy. Like that, and then fold it several times, and then. Nope.
It's like that. It's too good for. Man, that's.
Naku, hindi pwedeng maglabandera itong asawa ko. Ito next, guys, is itong pants ko na ginagamit ko sa construction. So, tingnan nyo, ang daming ha?
I don't know how to wring it out. It's got so much on it.
Yeah. Okay. I'll hold it and then you do it like each part by part going up. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Yes. Yes, you're getting there. You're learning. Yeah. And then going up. Okay, that's good enough.
There's a lot in here though.
Okay, next is my pants. So you still do the same thing, like you just grab it each part. Sakit na balikod mo, guys.
I can't do it right here.
Okay, just do it. So for our
hands are look at how numb my hands are.
Can I see? Numb na ba yung niya, yung kamay niya.
Like I read there. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not so.
Oh, yeah, okay. Nasa self-conscious. Yung asawa ko, okay. So, you grab whichever part of the cans you can grab, yeah, and then just, thoroughly, like, what do you call what's the term of this one? When you do like that?
Sure. Keep going. We're doing
Like that, okay, your turn.
I can't.
Yeah, you can do it.
I can't figure this out. I really can't.
Tingnan niyo, naka-fluster na itong asawa ko. He's so cute. In fairness, right?